Do you know what Walla Walla spelled backwards sounds like? Allah, Allah. John Walkenfuss. It comes out Sefnekau. You didn't know that?
No, I didn't. I learn something every day working with you.
He holds me in his big arms, drunk and I am seeing stars. This is all I think of.
If a handsome boy doesn't want to work and just want to depend on a rich woman, we call them 小白脸.
I see trees of green and red roses too. I see them blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful